At Tramex Meters, we have a variety of kits for the water damage and restoration industry. Let's open them up. Tramex water damage restoration kits come in compact, all-containing cases. The Water Damage Tech Kit, WDTK. The moisture meters in the Water Damage Restoration Tech Kit, WDTK, have analog, easy-to-read meter faces. They are pinless, giving instant non-destructive readings for concrete, wood, drywall, and building materials. The Concrete Moisture Encounter CME5 gives quantitative moisture content measurements as well. The Moisture Encounter ME5 for wood, drywall, and other materials has a dual depth feature to differentiate between core and surface moisture, eliminating the influence of substrate on your readings. Bluetooth connectivity to the Tramex Meters app allows for mapping, geotagging, and sharing reports. The extension handle allows you to measure in hard-to-reach areas and saves you from having to bend down as well. The Water Damage Inspector Kit, the WDIK. The Water Damage Restoration Inspector Kit, WDIK, has all the benefits of the WDTK, with the additional benefits from the Digital Concrete Moisture Encounter CME-X5. This allows for pin probe moisture content measurement for wood, drywall, and other building materials. The built-in hygrometer also gives instant ambient conditions, and with the infrared thermometer, help detect dew point condensation issues. The additional Relative Humidity Probe helps check the ambient conditions within materials, cavities, and air spaces. The Data Logger connects to the Tramex Meters app for logging ambient conditions over time, overnight, or over the duration of a project, allowing you to connect to the app on site. The Water Damage Master Kit, WDMK, has all the benefits of the WDIK, plus additional relative humidity probes and tools for conducting ASTM F2170. The Water Damage Master Kit, WDMK-X, gives the same benefits as the WDMK, but has the digital MEX5 instead of the analog ME5, which gives additional advanced features for baseline comparisons, psychrometrics, and enthalpy readings. To learn more about these kits and their contents, go to tramexmeters.com under Kits.